Hello, everyone. Teacher
Hello,
Jermaine
sir.
is,
Hello,
teacher-
sir. Hello, sir. Hello, Sir Harry. Hello,
hello.
sir.
So we are waiting for Teacher Jermaine to coming back, right? Okay. Now, for those who are not uh, open cam, please go ahead, open cam. Cynthia, Main, okay, Adriani, Hazibuan, Felicia. Okay, now Putra Putri. Okay, don't be afraid to say Harry, but you have to do it on your own. Be disciplined, okay? Every class in session, you have to open your cam. Okay,
Sir,
teacher.
I log out, sir. Hello, sir. I log out for a while, sir.
Okay, that's fine because I did not know that your screen name changed. Okay, don't worry. All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
with that in mind, teacher, we are thankful for you to help the kid, okay? To help the kid to strive. And I'm so glad. All right. Let them know that always open camp, okay? And behave because, it's very simple. It's very simple. Why? Because you see that I heard that on the last part, okay? Before I join, I heard the last part that say
Yes,
we
sir.
need to be good to other people. That what it is, right? That your question. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
the kids, some of them, I'm not sure that who answer, yes, we need uh, to be good to others. Okay. So like I said, we are not teaching just English. We are teaching the moral, the attitude, the good attitude for everybody. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's what we are. You know why? Because if we do not have a good attitude toward others, we are not going to be successful. You can be smart, okay? You can be smart, very smart, in fact. But if you don't have the attitude, then what happened? You will do your smartness, you will do your skill to cheat other people, okay? All right. So keep in mind that I'm so glad here we have Josephine, we have, okay, Nicole, all right, and others here. Wow. Clara, Catherine. Catherine, you can put, more smile on your face. That looks better. Okay, Catherine? Good. Smile. Because you look very, so far, Catherine always say, oh, I do not understand what he said. It kind of look depressed just a little bit. No, everybody is
Thank you,
great.
sir.
Yes, yes. Tristan also, this is one of our veteran student. Okay. Now, Putra and Putri is a new one. Okay. So they may still try to learn. Okay. Try to learn. Okay. About this, how we conduct our class. Basically, open cam. Very easy. Open cam. Okay. And well behaved. Do not making a funny face or something, okay, to distract other people, right? Josephine, Josephine also you know, our veteran student here. Tell them, Josephine and Tristan, okay, if somebody make and also Inda, that is our veteran
Yes.
student. If somebody making funny face, they don't need it. The funny face will not help you to learn English. Will it, Claudie? Will the funny face make you smarter? No. Okay. So do not do something is not on, there is no purpose. Okay. So you are here with a purpose to learn. That's it. Okay. And you are investing your time, effort, and not long. All right. 2 years from now, you can speak English very fluently. Okay. Like Josephine. Josephine, do you speak English in your house? You need to have another
No,
sibling. And if you meet somebody else from St. Louis in this group, speak in English. Speak in English because you can do it. Okay? Don't feel that, oh, ini sok-sokan mau ngomong bahasa Inggris. Okay? Some of your friends will say that. Don't worry about them. If they do not want to learn, that is their problem. It's your problem. Okay? So teachers, I try to encourage them, all right, to really take it another level. Okay? So like Tristan can speak very well. Okay? Josephine can speak very well. Inda, it only take 2 years. And of course, Nicole is the beginning, even though just began like what? Okay, a month ago, but she is good. And then we have his Felisa, I think, struggling with all her connection. Okay, teacher, I give it back to you, teachers, because Harry is going to drive now. Okay, it is
Yes,
5:30
sir.
now. Okay, and see everybody 5:30 in the morning, Harry already, okay, ready to go to work. All right, so you need to get excited. All right, okay. Okay, everyone. I see you maybe next week or maybe another class after this. Bye bye, everyone. Work
Thank
hard.
you,
Thank you,
sir.
teacher.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay, this time our class is already recorded. Okay, thanks to Dr. Harry for dropping by. I'm sorry I dropped off a while ago, so let's continue our discussion. We were done with Susie Brown. So what is the story would like to tell us? We should be good and we should also be nice to our family members and to other people. Okay, can you give me your most beautiful smiles, please? Andriani is smiling at me. Very good. Wow, Nicole is very pretty with her smile. Same with Glody. Very good. So we have Putra and Putri also. Okay, thank you for that one. Okay, very good. Thank you, Clara. Thank you, Indak. So teacher will continue now. I'll be sharing again my screen. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay. So we are done with the first story. Let's move now to the second one. Okay. Hello? Can you still hear me?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Yes. How about the picture on my how about the text? Can you still see it?
yes, miss. Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Look at the picture. What can you say about the picture?
The children. That is the boy.
It's only one for a while. It's only one. Are we going to say children if it's only one?
No. There is a church.
It is a, yes, there is a child. Yeah. What do you think will the child be doing? What will be he? Look at look at what the child is holding. Look at his costume. Have you seen someone wearing that?
Yes.
Yes, especially on during. Okay. So do you know what a band is? With trumpets, with lyres, with drums. So that's what a band looks like. But he is only one, so we can say that he is a member of a band. So let's continue now with the readings. I'll be having maybe 3 or 4 kids to do the readings. I'll have Shitya first. Shitya.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Please read from the title until the end of the story because it's only short. It's a short story. Okay, go Shitya.
Here comes the pen. Here comes the pen. So we call Mommy and Fanny to see it. Let us stand still and hear the men play as the best. I hope they will stop here and play for us. See the large man in front of the band with his big head. What's the what's he holding in his is in his hand? How fine he looks. Look at the man and that fine horse too. If the men do not stop, let us follow them and see where they go.
Okay, very good. Okay, I think the story ends. Thank you, Shetya, for reading.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay, I would also like to ask from, how about, I'm done with, okay, Claudie. I'll have you, Claudie.
Wait. Yeah. Yes, Miss.
Okay, Claudie, this is you now.
Okay.
Okay,
Here
please
comes
read.
the band. Here comes the band. Should we call Mommy and Fanny to see it? Let us stand still and hear the men play as they pass. I hope they will stop here and play for us. See the large man in front of the band with his big hat. What's he holding in his hand? How fine he looks. Look at the man on that fine horse too. If the men do not stop, let us follow them and see where they go.
Very good. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Claudie.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay, what's the title of the story? What's the title of the story? Hello? What's the title of the story? It is?
Here comes the bed.
Okay. Kids, where can we find the title? Where can we find the title?
On the very
Is it located at the end of the story? Okay, at the very start, at the very beginning, at the top of the story, there you can find the title. Okay, if I may ask you, who are they going to call? Who are they going to call? Because the band is coming. They are going to call. So here comes the band. Should we call Mommy and Fanny to see it? So they are. Hello.
Miss, your voice is lagging.
Okay. That's why the recording stopped. My voice was lagging. How about this time, Nicole? Is it okay now? Not yet.
Sorry, Miss?
My voice is still still lagging, Nicole.
Yeah.
Okay, how about that? Is that still lagging?
No, Miss.
It's okay now. Okay. So here comes the band. Should we call Mommy and Fanny to see it? Who are they going to call? Who are they going to call?
Mommy and Fanny.
Okay. So since the band is coming, what are they expecting? They are expecting that the band will,
Play for them.
yes, that the band
Play
will
for
stop.
them.
Yes, that the band will stop at their house and they will play. Okay, what kind of play? Are they going to run? Will the band run? Play some? What will they play?
Music.
Yes, play some music. So, very good, Jose. So they were able to notice that there is a large man in front of the band with his big hat. Okay, and they also found out and they also noticed that there's also a man holding a horse. So it says here at the last part of the story, if the men do not stop, let us follow them and see where they go. Okay, so the story is very short. I hope you understand it. So let's answer now the comprehension questions. We also have 4 questions in here. Okay, number 1. Putri, any one of you, do you like to read and answer?
Yeah, yes, Miss.
Okay, please read number 1, then try to answer, okay?
Baca. Who will the call to see the band?
Yes. Who will they call to see the band? They are going to see. Who are they going to call to see the band?
Welcome the band.
Okay. Okay, if not Putri, who would like to answer?
Yes, Miss.
Who would like to answer?
Me.
Okay, Putra and Putri, still the two of you.
It's me, Mom.
Okay. Who will they call? They're going to call their mom and their mother and Fanny. Okay, maybe Fanny is their sister. Okay, that's good. Let's move now to the second question. Second question, Josephine, you want to read and answer again?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, number 2, Josephine.
What is the man in front wearing?
Yes. The man is wearing what? Okay,
A
let's.
big hat.
Very good. Wearing a big hat. Thank you, Josephine. That's good.
You're welcome, Miss.
Yes, next. Number 3 now. Number 3. What is the other man riding? That's very easy. Michael Susilo. Michael.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, number 3. Please read question number 3.
What is the other man riding?
Yes. The other man was riding on a,
Book.
is it a book?
A horse.
Oh, come again. Say it clearly. Riding on a,
Riding on a horse.
yes, riding on a horse. Very good. Thank you, Michael.
Yes, Miss.
Number 4. I'll be reading it again. I'll be reading it first, then you read it again later. What will we do if the band does not stop? What will we do if the band does not stop? I would like to talk to, let me see the participants. Rosemary, you want to answer, Rosemary?
Okay, miss.
Yes. What will they do if the band won't stop? They will. Okay. Let's go to the floor. Okay. If the band won't stop, what they will do, they will. Catherine, maybe you want to help. You want to help, then you want to answer.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what will they do if the band will not stop?
They are follow them.
Yes, they will follow them and see where they go. Okay, thank you, Catherine. So that is our second story for tonight. Here comes the band. So here comes the band. So I'll stop sharing first my screen. If you notice, I am outside so that I can really get a good connection. Oh, it's already 5:54. I was supposed to give another story. Okay. But it's okay. I will still share again, and let's have the last story for tonight. Yes. Inda, do you have my screen now?
No, miss. Okay.
Oh, not.
Yes, miss.
Yes, I can see it.
Yes. What can you see on my screen, Inda?
The bee and the flower.
Yes, the bee and the flower. Have you seen a bee, Inda?
Yes.
What does a bee usually do?
Fly.
Fly, yes, and lands on flowers. Okay, and try to pollinate flowers. Okay, can I have you first? Have you first in that read?
Okay.
Okay, go
The
on.
bee. Come here, Lucy, and listen. What is in this flower? Oh, mother, it is a bee. I wonder how it got caught inside the flower. It went into the flower for some honey, and maybe it went to sleep. Then the flower closed it in. The bee likes honey as we do, but it does not like to be closed in the flower. Shall we let it out, Lucy? Yes, then it can go to other flowers and get honey.
Okay, and get honey. Okay, very good. So it's a very short story. Thank you, Inda, for reading.
You're welcome, miss.
Nicole, I would also like to hear from you.
Okay, miss.
Okay,
Miss,
I also
sorry
want you to read.
if it's a little noisy.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
The bee. Come here, Lucy, and listen. What is in this flower? Oh, mother, it is a bee. I wonder how it got caught inside the flower. It went into the flower for some honey, and maybe it went to sleep. Then the flower closed it in. The bee likes honey as we do, but it does not like to be closed in the flower. Shall we let it out, Lucy? Yes, then it can go to other flowers and get honey.
Very good. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Nicole, for reading it well with correct pronunciation. Good.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, very good. I would also like to hear from Tristan.
Yes, miss.
Okay, I want you to read it again, Tristan.
Okay.
One last.
Okay. Come here, Lucy, and listen. What is in this flower? Oh, mother, it's a bee. I wonder how it got caught inside the flower. It went into the flower for some honey, and maybe it went to sleep. Then the flower closed in. The bee likes honey as we do, but it does not like to be closed in the flower. Shall we let it out, Lucy? Yes, then it can go to other flowers and get honey.
Very good. Thank you, Tristan.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay, by the way, C-L-O-S-E-D, this word here, you read this as not closed, okay, but closed. Closed. Okay. So who can give me first the title of the story? What is the title?
The bee.
Yeah, very easy. The title is The Bee. Who are the characters in the story? Who are the characters in the story?
Lucy, mother,
Lucy and her mother.
mother,
Mothers.
mothers, Lucy and mothers.
Very good. It's only one, so we don't say mothers. If it's only one, we say mother. Okay? So the characters in the story, we have Lucy and her mother. Okay. So it is one day that they were able to see a bee. So where did they see the bee? Or where did they found the bee? It is hello? Where did they found the bee? Hello, my voice is lagging.
No, miss.
Yes, they found the bee. Yeah, they found the bee in the flower. So, do bees like honey? Do the bees like honey?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So it is said here, the bee likes honey, just like how the people likes honey. So they were thinking that the bee was sipping honey from the flower. Then they said that maybe it went to sleep. So that's why the bee was caught inside the flower. So when the flower closed, so the bee was stuck inside the flower. So they were asking if they could let the bee out. Okay. Could they let the bee out? Are they going to let it out?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. And
miss.
what will the bee do next once the bee was out?
It can go to
The
other
bee can,
Flowers and honey.
Go to other
yes, go to other
Go to other
flowers
flower
and get honey.
honey.
Let us answer the vocabulary questions. I mean, teacher will be reading the questions, then you can answer to me. Number 1, what is trapped in the flower? What is trapped in the flower? Catherine, what was trapped in the flower?
A bee.
Very good. Okay, very good. Next question. Why was it in the flower? Why was it in the flower, Josephine? What was the
Miss.
bee doing? Yes. Why was the bee in the flower?
To get the honey.
Very good, Josephine. Drinking some honey, sipping from some honey. Okay, thank you. Okay, next. What do Lucy and her mother think about honey? Do they think that the bee likes honey?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes. Do they think that people also loves honey?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Last question. Last question. Tristan, please read.
What will
Number 4.
it do once it is let out?
Okay, once. What will it do once? Come again.
What will it do once it is let out?
Yes. What will the do? What will the do? What will the bee do? The bee will go to the other flowers
And get honey.
and get honey. Yes. Yes. The bee will go to other flowers and get honey. So,
Honey.
very easy story. That is our last story for tonight. So we have 3 stories. We have Susie. We have Susie Brown. What's the other one? We also have Here Comes the Brown. Very good. And what's the last one? What's the third story?
The bee.
Very good. We have the bee. Very good. So it's almost time. Okay, it's not almost time, but it's already time. So it's already 6:05 in the evening. So teacher will say goodbye for now. Then I'll see you next week, okay, for our next reading session.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being with
Bye,
me.
Miss.
Bye, Miss. Bye. Bye.
Bye. See you next time. Thank you.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, Miss.
Clara.
Bye.
Thank you, Claudie.
Thank you.
Miss.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you,
Bye,
Miss.
Tristan.
Bye,
Thank you.
Miss.
Thank you. Rosemary, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.